Perfect touch, auto glass. Perfect touch, auto glass. Brought to you by McLean Enterprise. Sup, y'all? It's your boy, Swabby Dobby, founder, owner, and operator of Perfect Touch Hourglass, servicing Richmond, Virginia, and surrounding area since 2007. Licensed and assured, mobile only, automotive glass installation company. That means I come to you, yes you, allowing you more time for work, family, and friends. Perfect Touch Auto Glass is open 6 days a week, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Perfect Touch Auto Glass services are windshield replacements, chip repairs, door glasses, quarters, vents, and back glass replacements. Also, to include door motors and regulators, door actuators, sunroof, and headlight relaminations, y'all. Contact me now. Call or text at 804-466-4141 and receive a limited time 10% discount on your service quote. And to add, receive $20 cash for every referral turn clients. Insurance? Accepted. Credit? Debit? Accepted. It gets better. Paying cash? It's even cheaper. Just ask about Perfect Touch Auto Glass method of payments. If they could beat my prices, then my name ain't Swabby Dobby. So what that tell you? Perfect Touch Auto Glass, prices can't be beat. Perfect touch, auto glass. Perfect touch, auto glass. With a touch of perfection. 804-466-4141 or email me at ptagrva@gmail.com or contact me at perfecttouchautoglass.com. Brought to you by McLean Enterprise. Perfect Touch Auto Glass with a touch of perfection. Perfect touch, auto glass. Perfect touch, auto glass.